sa running diri. Lady City sa Philippines. Good morning again. Good morning everybody. Ika sa running from your Chuukese FinIasai again. I'm doing my live video. Just getting some updates for Aporosa what's going on with me today. So tapos ngayon sa matsiwa ko nonen for the marab that's a good may pati family kids ever may needs o kids may si kids may pati marawaro don't know how to get it. So I just want to show you guys where I am right now. I'm right here in Portland, in one of Portland hospitals. Like I said from my live video last night, I got laid off from my other job. Fever, or are you have a cough, or crazy questions just because of the coronavirus. And coming up here, they still gonna ask me different kind of crazy question, which it pissed me off, but I gotta do what I gotta do, and it's just for the safety of people and others, I guess. So here I am working again, doing my other job as an interpreter. Thank goodness I still was able to make money as earning. So that's the update today. I just wanna share how this POE is. This POE, they are asking too many questions, but I guess it's because of the coronavirus. Good morning, Quibwe. Did you know I got laid off from your next door neighbor work yesterday? Thank goodness. I always have my other job standby on site, pero coming in yesterday and they said they're gonna have to lay me off. So still I go straight out of the because I was still able to do my other side job. It's not a side job, that's my job. So I got my coffee. They offered me a coffee here, which is great. Oh, thank you.
As soon as you start to enjoy this, she'll
Thank
arrive.
you so
but
much.
Feel free to bring it.
Thank you. They offered me coffee. Really? They start laying off people at your job too? Well, I got laid off yesterday, which is not good. Hi, Piputania. And kini so tapos ngeri asa Piputania because we are still do our work as interpreting for Chuukese people and helping them. This is what I do. I don't get scared of the coronavirus, just trying to make sure I'm safe. Oh, really? Well, the nurses offer me coffee. I was thinking Piputania to stay home and do my over-the-phone interpreting, but I just don't want to stay home. I want to go out and enjoy the sun. I know it's easy to get this sawag, but really? That's what I was thinking, like, why am I going out and make my crazy butt off working outside when I have the chance of just staying home and do my interpreting work? So I think that's what I am going to do, just starting doing my work at home and do some work outside home, which I am doing right now. But this being here with Dania, they're asking too many questions. They even stopped me right by the entrance and asked me like, do you have fever? Are you coughing? Like, oh my goodness. I will sign on with you. I keep procrastinating. I would do, but I would do sign on right now, and then also work under your company. But it's kind of scary at the same time. getting in the hospital, but I think I'm here to help the Chuukese FinIasai. So it's a great day today. It's sunny and it's beautiful, and I'm just enjoying the sunny weather outside this building and waiting for my patient to coming in. And you all have a great, awesome day. And Kirisogeriasan Pusapan Asus Wanodzevatan. But yes, let's just we just I think this is our passion to help our people, right? I thought I would stick with that kind of job, 9-5 job, but I think it just this is where we at, just helping our people. So let's I'm gonna give you some family seat. You have a great day, people down here. I will definitely inbox you when Atsna Ela Aga Brekan no post me Aga Rewa. Ela Uli Kapana no baby